Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to turn off auto screen rotation on your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to any app. Here I open Google Chrome. When I try to rotate my phone, what will happen? Screen is also rotated. So this is called auto screen rotation. If you would like to turn off this auto screen rotation, yes, you can do it. Go to the notification area and turn off this auto rotate option, and it will change to portrait now. So screen is fixed in portrait, and if you rotate your phone, screen will not be rotated now, okay, because it is fixed. If you would like to have the rotation, you have to click on portrait here, and it will now change to auto rotate, and it can be rotated from portrait to landscape. In the landscape itself, you can stop auto rotate and fix in landscape. Okay, so go to the notification area and click on auto rotate. Now it is, this icon is changed to landscape, so that screen is fixed in landscape itself, and you cannot rotate from landscape position to portrait position. Okay, if you rotate your phone to portrait position, screen will not be rotated. Okay, only your phone will be rotated. So in this way you can easily set in landscape or portrait if you would like to turn off auto screen rotation. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.